It's a busy week with a bit of woodwork this week. We got this little outdoor kitchen area. There's going to be a little barbecue on there with that Yellow Balau. It's really nice. Being oiled, red cedar legs. Nice, discreet. Fits into this little alcove very nicely. That will then provide a nice little area for food prep. The other screen we built is to hide these heat exchangers. They were a massive focal point, so we put a little Larch screen in front. We're going to put a little Acer down there, some planting across just to break it up a little bit. And at the top of this patio, we're going to put a large pot to help disguise it. This is a main seating area behind their dining area, so it basically looks out onto these heat exchangers, so disguising them is a bit of a priority. So planting settling in nicely. The Acer's all buoyant. Crocosmia, look at that red. Really stands out nicely. And the rest of the plants are really taking shape. And then we've added in, we had some planting in down the other end next week. We've put in a little Green Spire hedge for just break it off from the lawn area. Behind me, our cotton steel turns up next week, so we're going to be creating a bit of sculpture stroke screen and then doing some planting around that. That's going to be an interesting one. Never made one of those before.